We're at Boysen Lake today. It is a great place for collecting driftwood and rock hounding. Oh, look at that little log right there. That would make a great little stool. Rock hounding, and then this here, down here, you could use this for like a stepping stone in your yard. But we've gotten a lot of really cool rocks down here. The water's kind of murky today. But yeah, we found wood down here and agates down here and really cool wood. Got my sister and her dog, my grandson up there. It's very hot today. But look at this piece of wood. See, rock. Red rock. Does it feel good? Midnight. Anyways, this is Boysen Reservoir. And it's a hot day today. And nice and quiet and peaceful. And the mountains. The Owl Creek Mountains in that area. Anyways, have a good day from big, wonderful Wyoming. Okay, look at these two really cool pieces of rocks I found. Nice. And driftwood. Oh, there's driftwood up here. Make all kinds of stuff with this stuff. Oh! A dead fish. Yeah. Anyways. Well, have a great day from big, wonderful Wyoming. There's fish hopping out of the water. Just seen a couple of fish hop out the water. Like that one over there was like... Did you see those fish hopping out of the water? Like that one came out like a couple of feet. Oh, there. Oh, I missed it.